Now, I invite my friend Sandhya of class UKG to welcome the gathering.
Good morning, everyone. I am Sanjay from UKG. I'm happy to welcome you all to our 22nd annual day program. I extend a warm welcome to our trustees, parents, teachers, and my dear friends. It is wonderful to have you all here today. My friends and I are excited to showcase our skills to drama, dance, performances. Enjoy and have a nice day.
Hi, I am Durvana of class 2. Class 2. Dance is a joyful way to express our love and praise. It brings smile, energy, and unity to every heart. Today, our little dancers will offer a beautiful Krishna dance, spreading peace and happiness all around.
स्वागतं कृष्ण शरणागतं कृष्ण स्वागतं कृष्ण शरणागतं कृष्ण मधुरापुरी सदना मृदुवदना मधुसूदना मधुरापुरी सदना मृदुवदना मधुसूदना इह स्वागतं कृष्ण शरणागतं कृष्ण स्वागतं कृष्ण शरणागतं कृष्ण स्वागतं कृष्ण शरणागतं कृष्ण स्वागतं कृष्ण शरणागतं कृष्ण मधुरापुरी सदना मृदुवदना मधुसूदना मधुरापुरी सदना मृदुवदना मधुसूदना इह स्वागतं कृष्ण शरणागतं कृष्ण कृष्ण सा गरि गरि सा कृष्ण शरणागतं कृष्ण मधुरापुरी सदना मृदुवदना मधुसूदना इह स्वागतं कृष्ण शरणागतं कृष्ण इह स्वागतं कृष्ण शरणागतं कृष्ण शरणागतं कृष्ण
We sincerely thank Tanushri Akka and the team, Rudra Akka and Mohana Priya Akka for guiding and teaching our friends to dance with such gracefulness. Let's give them a big round of applause.